just look at the Kubok 16. Now, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this in 20 minutes. Because when I do this, I have to do a lot of guessing. Not guessing, but you have to work through a lot of stuff. So you can see there's not much on here. 37, 24. So what am I doing here? I'm just looking. Oh, rules of book 16. I said them earlier. 1 to 16. Have to use each one once. 4x4 grid. So like for instance, one thing we know here is that 17 minus 4, 13, and then 1, 2 is 3. So 13 minus 3. The biggest one I can be here is 10, but it can't be, so it's 9, so it's 8. So the biggest one I can have in this row is 8. Okay, so I'll tell you that one more time. 17 minus 4 is 13, right? So I can't add up over 17. So 13, but I have 3 numbers. Well, the 2 smallest numbers I have is 1, 2, so that's 3. So that means if I have 1 and 2 here, it could be 10, but obviously I can't 1 and 2 because it'd be 10. I can't have the next 2 smallest numbers, 1 and 3, which is 4, because that would be 9. But I could have 1 and 4, not 1 and 4. I could have 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is 5, 4, 9, 8. So this could be an 8. There could be 8 in this row. So the max one in this row, I'm going to just put, this is less than or equal to 8. Right up there at the top. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, weird. We got another 13 here. Wow, this is really weird. So this is also less than 8. And there can only be so many ways I can get 8 here. What do I mean by that? Well, sorry. So I got 2 13s here, right? So this actually is 13, if you can see that. And this is actually 13. But what are my ways of getting 13, right? And both of them, I can only have 8 as the max. So I have 8, 5, oops, sorry. So to get 13, I have 8, 3, 2. And I have 7, 5, 1. Can't use 7, 4, 2 or 7, 4, 3. I can use 6, 5, 2. Right? 7, 5, 1. How else can I get the 6? Can I use 4, 2? No, there 4 is there. Can I use 3, 3? No, because it repeats. So now I got 6, 6, 5, 2. I can have 6, 5, 2, absolutely. That's 13. It's going to have 6, 4, 3. No, because the 4 is there. And that's it. So those are the only 3 ways I can get 8. So that tells you something, but it doesn't help us quite enough. Not to do this quick, so. But we'll still go ahead and just look while we have our time left here. So this is 41. This is 37. So here's another interesting one. 41 minus 4 is 37. Well, the 2 biggest ones I have is 16 and 15. So 16 plus 15 is 31. So if there's 37, this one right here, must be a 6 or more. So I'm going to just put over here, actually. I'll put over here, it's greater than, sorry, gotta get this right. 6 is eating. Greater than or equal to 6. Right? So if I had 15, 16, 31, 35. Okay. So 6. You can have a 6 there. Oh, so that's very interesting. So this one here is a 6, 7, or 8. Because if I look over here for my combinations, so what if it was 7? Could I have a 7 here? If I have a 7 here, 37 minus 7 is 30. 16, 14, 15, 15. No, so I can't have a 7 here. This can't be 7. Right? Do you see that? So this is 41 minus 4 is 37. Minus 7 is 30. How do I get 30? Well, 16 plus 14 equals 30, but 14s are used. 15 plus 15, can't use number twice. That's it then. So I can't have this be a 7. Could it be an 8? Right? 37 minus 8 is 29. 15, 14. No, but 16, 13. So this one right here is either a 6 or an 8. Which tells us no matter what that there is a 2 in here, because the 6 and the 8 both go with 2. Just one happens to go with the 3 and one happens to go with a 5. And maybe I can pull that to tell me something else. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, what that does tell me is the only one it doesn't have is over here. So there is a 7 over here. So this row over here is some combination of 7, 5, 1. So do you understand why I know that? 7, 5, 1. 7, 5, 1. The reason I know that is that over here there's a 2 no matter what. So it's going to wipe out this other one. Both of these require 2. It's going to be wiped out. The only one that's left is this one, 7, 5, 1. Okay. Which I should have known anyways, but from the beginning, because obviously 2 is here, they share it. Oh, and if this is 7, 5, 1, the 5's wiped out. 5's going to be used. That has to be an 8. So look at that. We actually did get one already. Wow. This might be one of my quickest ones in Kubok 18. So this is 8. So again, 2 must be in here because this is 6 or 8. They both use 2. But that makes this 7, 5, 1 because obviously this doesn't have a 2. Can't use a 2 over here. This has a 5 though. So this takes the 5. 5 must be here. Well, 5 can't be over here. So this is 8. So this is 8, 3, 2. So this is 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Okay. So, okay. What do we know from that? Well, let's take a look at this. This is interesting. 14. We have some combinations here. We can actually go through them. 14 is 20. So we got to get 20. Let's say this is 1. 1, 2, that's 3. From 20 is 17. 1, 3, that's 4. From 20 would be 16. It can happen. 7, 3 from 20. So this can't be a 7, 3. So the 7, 3, this had to be 10. 7, 2, that would be 11. That can happen. 5, 2, 7. That'd be 13. That's fine. 5, 3, that's 12. That's fine. Okay. But just 7, 3 can't happen, and 1, 2 can't happen. So we're just reducing a few there, but not enough to make a difference. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, 24. This is better. This one's better. 1, 2 obviously ain't going to work on that. 24 minus 3 is 21. Too big. 1, 3 obviously doesn't work. 24 minus 3 is 21. Too big. So we know this one is not a 1. Okay, 5, 2, 7 from 5, 2, 7 from 24 is 17. That doesn't work. 5, 3 does. 5, 3 is 8, so it could be 16. That is possible. Oh wait. We know what's used up here now. Sorry. Let's go up here. I'm screwing up. Because the 8's up here, it's 41, 37, 29, 15, 14. No, this is 16, 13. This is 16, 13. Okay, that's the only combination of 29. So this can't be 16, and this can't be 16. So we have to have 15 or below here. So 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 10 is this, is equals 16. This is not 5. This is 7. This is 7. Okay, and 7 plus, oh, I didn't have to erase those, but 7 plus 10 is 17, plus 3 is 20, that would be 14, and 14 is already there, so this is 7, 2, and this is 15. 9, 19, 15, yep. Wow, oh my God, this might be my quickest Kubok 16 ever if I'm getting lucky right now. I don't know if it's going to hold up, though. I'm really kind of holding my breath here. Okay. This is all big, so this isn't going to matter. 13, 15, 14. This is 29, 42, 6. I'm not using 6. 31, 45, 3. I am using 3. Oh, this has to be 3 here. So this can't be 16. Because 16, 15, 31, 45, 3. So this is 13. This is 16. 28, 42. This is 6. 5 and 1. 1, 3, 4, 18, 16. No, it's already used. 5, 3, 8, 16. 5, 3, 8, 14, 22, 12. Yeah, 6, 10, 26, 36. Shoot. 16, 26, 38, 11, and wow, I can't believe this. 11, 16. Wow. I'm shocked. I gotta add these up. 10, 21, 27, 8, 20, 34, 9, 19, 34, 12, 28, 41, 28, 34, 48, 26, 37, 49, 10, 19, 22, 11, 12, 17. This is what told me it right here. When I was able to see, hey, this was the key. Okay, these share 2, so the other one must be 751. That was obvious, but then this has the 5, and thus it knocks out that one. That was what tipped it. That might be the biggest Kubok 16 expert. These can take me over an hour sometimes. So I got very lucky in seeing that right away. So I went to work. I don't know that would have, I mean, obviously it had to be solved here. If I had tried another way, I probably wouldn't have got to that right away. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.